tourism potential in Indonesia, or maybe yes, maybe the people of the world recognize Indonesia by Bali, by the sea, by the island. So from yourself, what do you love the most from our tourism in Indonesia? Nahwi first, the newcomer.
Think the things that I love the most, especially in Indonesia itself, is that the jungle itself. Because I really love when I am visiting the jungle. I really love the jungle scenery. For example, in Malino with the pinery, it's really great because I don't know why I really like that scenery the most. And then yeah, the second things that I love from my country is that the people itself. Uh, Talking about the people in Indonesia, I think the most friendly people in the world. Maybe one of them is include uh, Indonesian
Indonesian
people,
people.
because you can see when there is like tourist, like there's like a stranger, our people is really nice to them
And
comparatively when we visit
another
in
country.
other country. This is
Yes.
like a really experience that I felt before, because I have friends from Singapore. When my friend visit my country, they are really shocked because the people in our country is really nice, like they are really friendly, and then they don't expect that when they visit Indonesia, they suddenly become an artist because there are a lot of people want to take picture with them. Yeah, they are really shocked with that condition because they said before that, oh, Nahui, in my country, like just like nobody. There's no people that want to take picture with me. So
Uh-huh.
the people in our Indonesia is really different actually. So
It's too friendly or
yeah.
too foolish
I don't
or
know.
too full.
But yeah, that is the thing that I really like the most because
Well, yes,
yeah, I
that's our
think that's
people.
yeah, our people and maybe the scenery.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. The scenery of the forest,
Yes, forest,
jungle,
forestry.
trees,
Uh-huh.
mountains,
I
and
really like
etc.
green color actually.
Oh,
So I really
so
like
who
forestry.
next?
Yeah.
Who next?
Okay, next week I wear green, yeah, because you love green.
Oh.
Yeah, great.
Wait for me. I will.
Okay.
It will
Mr.
help
Diaz,
our eyes,
from
actually.
Mr. Diaz, maybe what do you love the most from our Indonesian tourism potential?
I like must. Actually, in general, I like all of. But if you insist me to choose them, I like a ritual like attraction, like traditional dance,
Ah,
traditional
yes.
custom.
The tribe.
Yeah, the tribe. Yeah, I like it.
Tourism based on the tribe. A culture.
Tribe
Culture.
and heritage.
Ah,
Yeah, something like building, like Borobudur, Tongkonan, ritual like Rambu Solo, how to say in Badui, no, like this. What is that? The booze, and so on. So yeah, traditional custom. So also like it.
Ah, okay. So, Mr. Isan?
Okay. Well, as a young generation, we gotta follow and support our our government
Uh-huh.
to as a sustainable tourism in Indonesia. But I like the most beach as my work scope, like Samalona. It has a beautiful ocean, and when you were sailing on that ocean, you will seems like you are on the large aquarium. You can see easier fish swimming and
Yeah.
various animals.
Okay. You love the most from Indonesian tourism potential is the sea.
Yes,
Is the sea
yeah.
itself. Okay.
In
And
general.
the reach of our sea
Yes.
in general. Okay. So, Mrs. Dewi, maybe?
Uh, what is I love the most is Indonesia has a very cheapest budget for everyone who wants to
Yes.
travel.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's
Because
true. That's
no
true.
matter you don't need to be rich just because you are scared to do self traveling, yeah. Especially you visit like Bali, because if not of pandemic, yeah, I always put as a my list every year visiting Bali, because it's a Bali has a wonderful landscape there, and for sure it's cheaper and the most cheaper than other region.
So that's why the foreigner, how to say, very love
Yeah.
to come
To-
visit Indonesia.
They are addictive.
Yeah.
To come here.
Because not only because of the beautiful landscape,
Mhm.
wonderful Indonesia,
Yeah, and
but
in
also the price.
the price. And Indonesia, I think, is a perfect country with a good territorial that is balanced between the mountain area and the beach area.
Yeah,
So I
yeah.
mean, it's like another option. If you don't like or you are get boring of beach situation, then you can get the mountain. So that's it.
Okay, so we can get both of them,
Yeah.
right? Okay, Miss Annie,
Yes,
Aini.
yes, you can call me Aini.
Okay, okay,
Uh,
Aini.
So what I love the most, the tourism place is Highland or like mountain, something like that.
Yes.
In Makassar or in Goa, I really really love go to Malino because yes, because I like the sunshine, and I like the calm place, a peace place, and green trees and something like that. And I also like go to Enrekang, some kind of place like Gunung Nona, Nona Mountain, or go to and I love also, and my dream go to Toraja. Yes.
Yes. Okay,
Yes.
Mr. Diaz will bring you soon.
Yeah.
Well, guys, please mention one place
Uh,
in this world that you are really wants to visit it. That's such a one of your dream to have a holiday, to have a healing time in that place. And yes, mention too. What's the reason? Why that place? Why do you choose that place? From Mr. Isan first.
Okay. I remember maybe around 10 years ago when I was posted in the border area between South Sulawesi region and East Kalimantan,
Mhm.
and now it become West Sulawesi, namely Balabalakang Island.
Balabalakang.
Balabalakang Island
That
in West Sulawesi.
right now, yeah.
Right now.
Okay.
And when we were landed on that island, you will have nothing worry about because the nature was still take your breath away. Beautiful ocean, blue and with white sea, and it's so difficult to get there. You gotta take a small boat at some point, and then you continue with the bigger vessel. And yeah,
So you you
Unfortunately-
like live in the paradise,
yeah, and yeah, actually every day the ocean literally appears because the tides are so large. So when they overflow, the large beach will appear. And when that is happen, all the people come out for having fun, like do long walk on the beach, and like kite surfing on the shallow water, and some people plant a seaweed
Yeah.
on the bed,
Yeah.
and it's so beautiful.
Oh,
Believe me.
my God.
But unfortunately, yeah, it seems like they still have no pay attention more from our government. I think it's more beautiful than Bali.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and it
But
has
not managed yet.
yeah.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. That's one of the hidden gem,
Yeah,
hidden
it's
paradise.
wow. Like my brother Dia said,
Yes.
hidden paradise.
All right. So,
Yeah.
I wish I can go there too.
You can go there.
Okay. Miss Aida, mention the one place that
I
except
think-
Toraja ya.
Yes, yes, yes.
And Marino.
If I have to choose which country first, first, I won't go to the Greece. I think
Mm.
because of Greece is a country that, I mean, unique place to visit.
Mhm.
I ever see in seven place that very wonderful. Is one of is that Greece itself.
Mhm.
I ever see that one of the tourism, the paradise hidden, that there's something like cave, and then in that cave there is like danau, how to say,
Like,
Lake.
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 Oh yes, lake, and we can visit that lake by a boat, and we can, I mean, go around that cave with that boat. So I think it is very interesting if I can go to that place.
Mhm.
But I forget what specifically that the name of that place. But I hope I can go to Greece first thing.
Ah, okay. Amin.
Yes, I mean.
Amin.
You got it.
Wow. So
You got it.
word Yunawi, Mr. Diaz, and
Yes.
also Mrs. Dewi wants to go for how to say for my holiday. So we get to know it after the break.
Smart up your life.